Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in our pineapple. This is a pineapple and these are colors. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, green color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, black color, grey color, violet color. These are colors. So kids, let's learn how to color in pineapple. Yellow color, next we use green color, pineapple. So kids, today we use green and yellow color in our pineapple. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.